There's a safe in your prefrontal cortex. It doesn't hold money, it holds the primal programs of your identity. I'm not enough, the world is dangerous, and trusting hurts. These are ancestral codes, inherited, installed through trauma. They form your personal matrix. Neuroplasticity isn't just hope. It's mental alchemy, but you fail because you use logic to unlock an emotional lock. The access code isn't a positive thought. It's a biochemical security signal. What if the safe's guardian is waiting for you to finally open it? What hidden instruction do you think has been running in your mind the longest without your consent? If your darkest thoughts aren't yours but echoes of an ancestral survival algorithm, who are you really when you turn them off? Science says we can reprogram the brain. Spirituality says we can transcend it. Would enlightenment then be the state of a brain that has completely defragmented and optimized its own code until it has become transparent to itself? Your mind has a blocker, and you yourself installed the virus that blocks you. Your intuition isn't magic. It's the safe mode operating system of a brain hacked by fear. Decode the access code to the vault of your most hidden thoughts. It's a code that reprograms your internal matrix. When you sense that your potential is blocked by subconscious patterns, seek your personal growth and mental optimization. There is a code, not mathematical but emotional, that can rewrite your reality. The code 4783 is shown not as numbers, but as icons. Heart, 4 Hertz. Wave, 7 minutes. Sun, 8 a.m. Hug, 3 minutes. This code is a vibrational signature of frequency, state, and action to achieve unlocking. Follow the interdimensional protocol. Synchronize your emotional pacemaker with 5 minutes of meditation upon waking or before going to sleep. This is the state where the encrypted action software is rewritten, followed by 3 minutes of memory reconsolidation, reliving a limiting memory, and interrupting the sequence with an absurd gesture or forced laughter. It breaks the algorithmic chain. This content transforms the seed paragraph into a cognitive activation artifact. It is designed to be shared, to generate urgency. The target emotional resonance is awe mixed with empowerment, catalyzing positive change through the engineering of a memorable cognitive experience.